Trips are not always perfect. No matter how many times we've traveled, I don't want to be alone in my trips. I enjoy the security and companionship of a perfect travel partner. Someone grounded and reliable. Someone whom I can trust blindly. But I have to make sure my partner has the right fuel to travel miles and miles with me. My dad, I will never let you stop dreaming because of diabetes. Let's go for more rides like old times. This time, I will take you. Simple, a low glycemic index formula that helps you manage blood sugar levels and fuels you up for hours. Simple, diabetes, keep it simple.